So let's cover the next part, testing the package. And I forgot to share something with you guys during the last session, which we will cover now. So if we go back to our folder, I already prepared something very interesting. So if you want to run it on the command line, the packaging, you can do the following. So basically, yeah, this one can be ignored and we delete it. We basically need the path to the run universal, I don't know how the tool is called, this bat file basically. I will also put down a link in the description below that what this tool is about. But basically what you can do is building Unreal Engine project with it, and it has a specific command line. So we can here say BuildPlugin -plugin, then the path to our uplugin file from TT Toolbox, and we can also say which output folder we want to use, and there we use Unreal Engine 5 and so on. And if we run the script from the command line, it will do the same again. We'll also try to build the stuff. And how I know how this works is the following. If you search for Marketplace plugin guide, there you will know, or there you will get this link basically, or this command line stuff that you need to run if you want to publish your plugin on the marketplace. And then all targets or platforms you want to cover should be successful, otherwise you cannot publish it. And while this is running, I will open the other project immediately so that we can work on a pure blueprint project. But yeah, I will also put down a link in the description below to this guide so that you, if you're interested, you can read more about it. I will not cover the full process. So here the plugin build was successful like we had before, and we will see that we now have a new folder with the same stuff. So you can package it again and again if needed. And we will now work on the pure blueprint project. So what I did basically is copy our main project to a new folder and deleted the binaries folder, the intermediate folder, the saved folder, and the source folder, and of course the CPP project file as well. So then we basically converted back to a pure blueprint project, and you should see, no, you will not see an issue, but if you open the project and the plugin is not there, what you can do now is, which is very interesting in Unreal Engine, you can create a new folder and call it plugins, go into it, and then use the TT Toolbox stuff we packaged before, and then hopefully, if everything is right, we can open the project, and it should not blame us, oh, you need to build it and so on. It still should work. So I'm opening the editor here on the other screen, so give me a second. My hardware is not the fastest anymore these days, quite an old machine, but it still works kind of fine for most stuff, but I will upgrade soon. So anyways, here is our stuff. So here we have the Manny, and we see that the plugin seems to work as those blueprints do not fail, right? And what we can do now is go to plugins and search for TT Toolbox again. And here we have the plugin. So it's recognized, and it's a pure blueprint project. Before it was not there. And we also need to test if the stuff is still working. So what is very important for us are the poses, of course. So this should work. And we also need to check if for example, our scripts work. That's this one here. And as you might have noticed already, we use a lot the clipboard function. And what we can do is dumping the, let's say the virtual bones. And we dump them, and then we should see them in the console. That's basically here. And if we go to a new file here and paste everything in, so it still works. My clipboard before had a different value. I can also share this again to you. So copy this to the clipboard. If I press Ctrl V, you will have this one, and if we do it again, so it's for free, just a few clicks, and then we have the virtual bones and our clipboard, and we still can reuse them. So it seems to work. Let me also check if ALS is still working. So here, oh yeah, I was working with Twin Blast, so it seems to work as well. Pistol Pose is already working. So yeah. Here we also can quickly check if stuff is working. I will cover this in a different series, how you can get him working basically with ALS. I had some challenges as well. And I use TT Toolbox to speed up the process a little bit. And what you can also see is here on the right side, it's also fully functioning with the AI already. So yeah, okay, system works. Okay, so packaging works. We did an integration test, and that's how you can give basically the plugin to other developer which is not focused on C++ or has not the skills to build the project from scratch, or have issues with installing Visual Studio and so on. That's how you can get it working. Create a plugins folder and paste everything inside there, and then you get it working. Very easy. So I would say we are stopped now in the session, and we will cover the Git part in the next video. See you.